Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I wanted to give you a quick tour on how to sign in to your KW email and then also how to get into the KW Onward group training calendar. So let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is go to google.com and go up to the right-hand side where it says Gmail. Once that loads, if you already have a Gmail account, you can add another account down here by clicking Use Another Account. If you've never signed into a Gmail account, there will be a sign into an account option. So once you click Use Another Account, for example, then you would type your email, and the next screen you would type your password. So we're going to do that, and that logs you into your KW email. So once you're signed in to Google/Gmail, then you are able to access your training calendar for KW Onward Group by clicking these Google app buttons at the top, the dots in the right-hand corner at the top. Once you've clicked that, you will go to Calendar, and that will pull up your calendar that's associated with your KW email. Now, if you've already done the other steps from my previous video that shows you how to add the KW Onward Group calendar to this calendar that you have, you'll see that one pop up right here under your name, okay? So the way that you view calendars in Gmail is you uncheck it if you don't want to see it, and you check it if you would like it viewed, okay? I'm going to uncheck my personal calendar so that we only see the KW Onward Group calendar. How you can see what the classes are. Let's say we want to do this Designs and Command class. We click on that, and it has the Zoom login to get to that class right there. So you would click on this link to join the Zoom, and then when it asks you for a password, this is the password you would type in, okay? All right. Y'all have a great day. If you ever have any questions, let me know. Bye.